the jump run! Whether you're here for a minivan or an SUV, you got both in there. From the 66 to the 53, 04, there's the 400, 63, 64. If you like what you're seeing, let these drivers hear it! There's 53. Good move, yeah. Red flag, fire, fire, red flag drivers. Had a bit of a fire going. Coming up next, you got your right tail, dark off picture. Thank you. Go! Count on the 04 and 53. 66 is under the count the far end. Well, it's a love shot, but it counts. Here comes the 400. Count on the 66 and 04. Just one vehicle still playing demolition dirty. Swing and a miss on the 64. Nose to nose comes the 53. Big hit comes with a 400 on the 64. 04 is still under the count. 04 is the clock flag. 66 is under the count. Clock flag forward on the 66. We're down to 3. You've got the 54 and the 400 and the 64. Let's hear for these three drivers. Don Burns saying, turn it up, boys. We want to see a demo. Big hit from the 400 to the backside of the 64. Count on the 53. Count on the 64. Don Turner's telling 53, make a hit. Count off the 64 and the 53. Big hit coming from the 400. And the race front tires just gathered and shaken. Swing and a miss from the 400 on the 64. 64 is under the count. '64 is under a count. Make a hit. Make a hit. Get him. Y'all may be friends outside of the ring, but we want to see it go. Bragging rights for dinner tonight. Come on, let's put on a show for these fans. 64. No, the 64 goes with the 53. 64 hits 400, 400 surely under the count. '64 taking another good shot from the 53. 400's under the count. Now it's time for the 54 to play a little bit of cat and mouse. 53 making a hit. Counts on the 400. Counts now on to 64. Count off the 64. Count now still on the 400. Count on the 53. Transcooler hanging on the ground and everything. You don't need a transcooler in a derby, do you? Count on the 64. Black flag falling on the 400. 400 finishing in third. Count on the 64. Fiberglass flying off the 53. Down to 2. Aw, come on. It's not bumper cars. It's dirt road. If you guys want to see these drivers turn it up, let's hear it! 64 hitting the 53. 53's under the count. '64's relentless going after the 53. We're going to pull the 64 away if he can move. Uh-oh. He may have just locked himself in the front end of the 53. Uh-oh. You're paying for the cleaning of that, right? You filled it with the dirt, you can clean it? Oh, okay, thumbs up for that? Okay. We got the driver of the 53 moving around trying to get that car screen fired. Did these drivers put on a show for you or what? Black flag falling on the 53. Finishing in first, you got the 64, Curtis. Finishing in second, you got the 53, Jim. Finishing in third, you got the 400, Mike. Let's hear it for these drivers.